Hello, dear students. Welcome to our maths class. Here I am Sajni John, your maths teacher. In the previous class, we have discussed about similar triangles and properties of similar triangles and postulates of similar triangles. Three postulates are there. Which are they? AA postulate, SAS postulate, and SSS. Now, in exercise 15a, question number 3, we can do that. The question, I'll read the question. P is a point on side BC of a parallelogram ABCD. So we can draw a parallelogram ABCD. P is a point on side BC. Okay, draw a figure. If DP produced meets AB produced at L, at point L, prove that DP is to PL is equal to DC is to BL. Second one, DL is to DP is equal to AL is to DC. For proving this, we can consider two similar triangles, and we have to prove that two triangles are similar. Then we can apply the property of similar triangles. Okay. Now, which two triangles we can consider? We want to, first you have to check what is to be proved. DP is to PL is equal to DC is to BL. So we can consider two triangles DCP and LBP. These two triangles we can consider. Can you prove these two triangles are similar? How? Look here. In these two triangles, you can see these two angles are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So we get one statement. This one, vertically opposite angles. Since it is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram, that is given. Property of parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. So we can consider if these two lines are parallel, AB and DC are parallel, it is the transversal, or this one is the transversal. What about these two angles? Interior alternate angles. In two parallel lines cut by a transversal, interior alternate angles are equal. So we can use that property. So these two angles are equal. Therefore, by AA postulate, these two triangles are similar. We can write AA postulate, these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, we can write the corresponding sides in proportion. Look here, corresponding sides are proportional, and write the corresponding sides in proportion. That is, DP by PL is equal to DC by BL is equal to CP by BP. Corresponding sides in proportion. Now consider the first two. Consider these two only. That is, DP by PL is equal to DC by BL, which implies DP is to PL is equal to DC is to BL. Right? And second one, we have to prove DL is to DP is equal to AL is to DC. For that, we can consider another two triangles. Which are they? ADL, the big triangle, ADL and CPD. Try to prove these two triangles are similar. One property is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, we can write these two angles. Can you see? Yes. This one and this angle. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. And again we can use the property of parallelism. Parallel and transversal. Which transversal we can choose? Yes, the same. We have already written there. Same thing. So, first we can write angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of a parallelogram, ALD. ALD, angle ALD is equal to angle CDP, interior alternate angles. These two. The same thing here, interior alternate angles. Therefore, that two triangles are again similar. Therefore, we can write corresponding sides are proportional. Then write the corresponding sides in proportion. That is dl by dp equal to al by dc, which implies dl is to dp is equal to al is to dc. Now question number 4. In quadrilateral ABCD, in a quadrilateral ABCD, we can draw a quadrilateral ABCD there. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at a point O. If AO equal to 2CO and BO equal to 2DO, that is given, AO equal to 2CO, BO equal to 2DO, show that triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. First we have to prove these two triangles similar. Second one, OA into OD equal to OB into OC. After proving this, we will get that OA into OD equal to OB into OC. First we can consider these two triangles. What is given here? It is given AO equal to 2CO, BO equal to 2DO. From this statement, we can write AO by CO, transpose CO to the left side, AO by CO is equal to 2, BO by DO is equal to 2. From here, we can write AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. This one. And consider these two triangles. Since these two things, sides are in proportion, corresponding sides are in proportion, and the angle, included angle is vertically opposite angles. They are also equal. Therefore, by SIS postulate, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. We can write the corresponding sides in proportion. Therefore, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Just cross multiply, you will get OA into OD is equal to OB into OC. Now question number 7. Question number 6 homework. Question number 7. In the given figure, this is the given figure. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC. A equal to 15 centimeter, EC equal to 9 centimeter, NC is equal to 6 centimeter, and BN is equal to 24 centimeter. All these things are written here. Write all possible pairs of similar triangles. Find length of ME and DM. First you have to check what is given. These two things are parallel, and in this figure you have to write the all possible similar triangles. Suppose you can see this figure ABC. If these two lines are parallel, okay, or DE parallel to BC, it is the transversal, therefore these two angles equal. And in this triangle, if we consider ADE and ABC, these two triangles, if we are considering, angle A is common to both. And these two angles, corresponding angles, no? Therefore, these two equal. Therefore, these two triangles are ADE. Look, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, right? Similarly, you can find all possible similar triangles. With the help of this figure, you can see the results here, that is the same thing. Same postulate in each case, AAA or AA postulate. Okay. Now we are going to find ME and DM. ME and DM, these two things, ME and DM. For that, ME, for finding ME, we can consider the two similar triangles AME and ANC. We have already written these two triangles are similar, therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. So you have to write the corresponding sides in proportion. AM by AN is equal to AE by AC equal to ME by NC. Consider these two, substitute values. All these things given here. AE 15, AC is equal to 15 plus 9 is equal to ME. ME is to be found out by NC. NC is 6. Substitute all these values and simplify. You will get ME is equal to 3.75 centimeter. And for finding DM, consider these two triangles. ADM, similar to triangle ABN, that is written here. Now corresponding sides in proportion as usual. Then AE by AC equal to DM by BN. Substitute values. 15 by 24 is equal to DM by 24. Cross multiply and simplify, you will get DM is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we are going to discuss about basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? If ABC is a triangle and DE is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, that is base, parallel to the base. That means actually basic proportionality theorem is a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. That is, we can prove that. Look, since ADE and ABC are similar, these two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. That is AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Actually, AB is equal to AD plus DB, AD plus DB, and AC is AE plus EC. Now we can split these two like this. Now AD by AD plus DB by AD, that is 1 plus DB by AD. Similarly, right side also. Now we can cancel 1 and 1. Therefore, we get DB by AD. Look here. DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. This is what basic proportionality theorem. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. Okay. Now exercise 15B, first question. You can see a figure there. In this triangle, in the following figure, point D divides AB in the ratio 3:5. Find AE by EC, AD by AB, AE by AC. Okay. Now, what is given? AD by DB is 3/5. We know it is given DE parallel to BC. Since DE parallel to BC, that is given. Using basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so we get the answer. AD by DB equal to AE by EC is equal to this 3/5. Next, AE by AC. Want to find AE by AC, third portion. Actually, AC is equal to AE plus EC. So AE is 3, AE plus CC is 3 plus 5, that is 3 by 8. Next we want to find D. If DE is equal to 2.4, find the length of BC. D is 2.4, find BC. For finding BC, first you have to prove ADE and ABC are similar. You can prove it. You can prove it very easily using a postulate. Many times I told you the same type of question. Now angle A equal to angle A, two corresponding angles, therefore these two triangles similar, therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. Write the corresponding sides in proportion. AC by AE equal to BC by DE. That simplify, you will get substitute values and then simplify, you will get BC is equal to 6.4. Okay, using basic proportionality theorem you can prove some questions in this exercise. The other portions reduced, and once again you have to remember the postulates of similarity and properties of similar triangles. The next class we can discuss about the relation between the areas of two similar triangles. Thank you.